Third problem, the marks obtained out of 100 by 40 students in an examination are as under. So these are the marks of 40 students. Okay, so for how many marks? For 100 marks. So these are the marks secured by the students. So 35, 45, 59 up to so on. So we need to prepare a grouped frequency distribution table, and this is the first class. Okay, 40 to 50 is the second group, or you can say second class interval. And we need to also find out highest score, lowest score, range, and if the 40 is the passing marks, then how many students have failed. Okay, so after that, if we need to find out how many students secured 75 or more than 75 marks, and also how many students scored less than 50%. Okay, so let us start. So we will start by arranging the marks in an ascending order. So let us start the solution. First we will arrange the marks in ascending order. Arranging the marks in ascending order. So for ascending order, okay, yes, this I have already done the ascending order. So I have arranged them in an ascending order: 30, 31, 31, okay, 35. From the above scores, I have arranged them in an ascending order. Now with this we can construct the frequency distribution table. Now we will write, we construct the frequency distribution table. Now let us construct the frequency distribution table. So you need to draw three columns. So first column will be marks, class interval, okay. Next column is for tally marks. Next after that frequency. So as they have already told us to write down or take first group as 30 to 40, so I have taken it as 30 to 40. After that 40 to 50. So like that same, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, 90 to 100. So now we will check how many numbers or how many scores are there from 30 to 40. So you can see after arranging this in ascending order, it became very easy for us to identify. So up to 40, that means we can take before 42. How many numbers are there? 4. So let us draw 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. And write down 4. Next 40 to 50. Next we need to check before 50. So that will be before 52 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let us draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the fifth line cuts this. After this 50 to 60. So that means here we are before 62. Okay. Now check this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 lines are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, after that up to 70. So after 69 we have to stop. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next is 70 to 80. So 80 means before 82. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next 80 to 90. So before 95 we need to stop. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many lines? 4 lines we need to draw. Next 90 to 100. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 lines we need to draw. Now we need to write down the total. Add this. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 8, 17. 17 plus 8, 25. 25 plus 7, 32. 32 plus 4, 36. 36 plus 4, 40. So the total is 40. Now after the frequency distribution table, we need to give the answer for some questions. Okay, so what are the answers? What are the questions here? Let us start from the first question. So the first question here is, what is the highest score? Highest score. After arranging them in ascending order, it became very easy for us to identify the highest score. So what is the highest score? The highest score is 99. So the highest score is 99. Next, after that, the second question is about lowest score. So the lowest score, we know that in ascending order, the first number will be the lowest. So the lowest score is 30. Next, third bit. So in third bit we need to find out the range, and we know that range means highest value minus lowest value. So what is the highest value? 99, and the lowest value is 30. So 99 minus 30 is 69. So thus the range is 69. So now we have gotten the range. Now we will go for the fourth bit. So in fourth bit they are asking, if 40 is the passing marks, how many students have failed? If 40 means we need to stop before this 42. Okay, so how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means 4 students have failed. So if 40 is the passing marks, if 40 is the passing marks, then 4 students have failed. Next is fifth bit. So in fifth bit they are asking how many students have secured 75 or more marks. So we need to check, we need to look at 75. Okay, so here we can see that from 75, let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that means 13 students scored 70 or more marks. 13 students scored 25 or more marks. Next is the sixth bit. So in the sixth bit they were asking how many students scored less than 50%. So we know that 50% of 100. So 50% of 100 means it is 50 only. So 50 into 100, and for percent we will write 100. So 100 cancel. So the answer is 15. So we need to check before 50 how many students are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 students have scored less than 50%. Hence 9 students scored less than 50% marks. So this is the end of our third problem.